Hello guys. I'm flipping on the trampoline. Not like front flips and stuff, but you know. So this is the place I can do aerials and stuff. Because I know it's not going to fall and break. It's hard doing aerials also with you holding your phone. See, I almost done one. I actually caught an aerial. I would have been cut if this was a real one though. Look at my shadow. Darn. So, I haven't been posting because I have football conditioning and stuff. But you know, I always have excuses. I promise to post more. I'm gonna post like games and outside. And when I get my real ballad song, I'll update you guys on that one. Look at my shadow. Ha. I hope my camera caught that one. So, I don't know how to catch a good shot on camera with my ballad song because did you guys see that? Because I have a phone. This is how you know it's the bite handle. With the black tape, that's the bite handle. So you see, if I pull it out, bite handle right here, then you can see the blade goes upwards. It's just easy to know. And what I do is I hold the bite handle on the back of my palm so I can open it up, and then it has the cutting end on that side. Let's hope this catches this. Let's hope that caught that. It looks so cool in the shadow. It looks like I'm actually good. But in reality, I'm not. Squirrel. Alright. So, oops. See what happens when I do aerials? Oh God, I might just messed up. But yeah. Okay. This is gonna be a longer video. Oops. See, I'm not the best doing it sitting down, but you know. Oh, I put my hand on the blade. That's not good if this was a real one. That would have hurt. Ah, darn it. I'm not the best. But you know, I'm getting there. I was doing so good until now. Oh, come on. Yay. That's enough for my balisong. Cardboard balisong. See you guys. Peace.